Hello my friends, and welcome to a video here on this lazy Sunday. I was cleaning the house, and as usually when I'm doing housework, my mind wanders off to something else, and I was thinking about the scenic byway video that I wanted to get started on, and then I started thinking about that I've been using the GoPro, and that actually had GPS coordinates and a lot of things recorded alongside with the video, and I never really found a good way to use that. And how about if I looked at the GoPro GPS recording compared to the telemetry that I had recorded when I was driving that road some time ago, a long time ago actually. So yeah, let's have a look at that today. So this is the recording from a GoPro Hero 6, and it holds the GPS coordinates alongside with the video and audio in the file. Now there's no way I can export that and use it in Final Cut Pro 10 that I'm using, but if I go into what's it called, GoPro Quick, I can do an overlay on the same video and add it to here so we can see what it looks like. Now this is the same video, it's been through the GoPro Quick app, and as you can see there's some new gauges here. There's a mile per hour, there's something they call speed tracker, some time, and what, elevation perhaps, and distance from when the recording started or something like that. And also a map in the upper left corner, and I would really like to have a Google map on top of that, or well, underneath the blue line. I wish I could do something more with that in some way, but I'm probably not going to be able to figure that out. So I don't know how to use it, so it's a bit of a shame, because I would like to use especially the location data when I make a video, and the way I do it today, I'm probably going to do in the future, is I use a map and then I go into motion and I draw the line by hand, and I then do an animation, and that's how I usually do it. So I think that is I need to figure out a way to use this better. I think that could be interesting, but I can't quite figure out how to. Now what we can do now, we can take a look at the same recording again, telemetry, let's call it that. It sounds better, telemetry, yeah. So yeah, let's do that and compare it to the car's own recording to see how that looks like. So this is what the car have recorded, and I suppose it uses telemetry from the car computer. So let's put the GoPro side by side with what the car have recorded. Now this is where I wish I made a proper recording with a proper takeoff and launch with both the external camera and the car's camera. Done some roads with some nice turns, but I don't think I've been running both cameras at the same time while I've been doing that. Bit of a pity really, but I'll have to remedy that sometime one day, hopefully. So yeah, that's what it looks like. What's interesting here actually is that the GoPro and the car sort of agrees on the speed, and I didn't really expect that, because usually what the car shows is a bit faster than what you're actually driving, because they don't want to have any lawsuits saying, hey, the car say I was driving 50 miles per hour and I was actually driving 54 miles per hour or something like that. So also they're usually a bit higher than the actual speed. So yeah, but not so here. They're fairly what's it called? Well, 1 mile perhaps. Yeah, the car's a bit higher, yeah, but not by much really. So yeah, that was just about it. That's just what I wanted to test today, to see, compare the two. So yeah, now if just I could figure out how to do a proper map overlay, I would be very happy. It doesn't seem to be as easy as I would have hoped. I found a program called Dashware or something like that, but it seemed that they had got hired by GoPro, so that's probably what's in their GoPro Quick program right now. So yeah, if you have any suggestions to how I can use this GoPro recording in some way, the GPS recordings, and get it into a video, yeah, give me a comment below. I'm open to ideas. So yeah, until next time, have fun on the interwebs.